Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you the words. And your stretchy snake is where you stretch the sounds out in the word and you go back and say it all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Sandpit. S and p, it. You have a go for me? Good job. Well done. Let's have a go all together. Sandpit. S and p, it. Good job. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called It's Too Hot. That's what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. It's Too Hot. In this story, we have Ant, Tiger, Knock and the grass cutter. Ant and Tiger went into the garden. They shrank. They spotted Knock near the sandpit. We can jump in the sand, said Tiger. It's too hot, said Knock. He felt as if he was melting in the sun. All of a sudden, Knock's powers began to fizz. I can't stop my power. Sparks shot from his hands. They hit the grass cutter. The grass cutter went mad. It was thundering up to them. Run! Help, said Knock with a gasp. Quick, get in the sandpit, said Tiger. They landed in the sandpit just as the grass cutter went past. Ant pointed to the sprinkler. Turn it on, Knock, he said. The sprinkler started to spin. Knock stood under the sprinkler and he felt cooler. His powers went back to normal. At last, the grass cutter was still. Knock did long jumps into the soft sand. Ant and Tiger had a rest. I am so hot. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or you can press the play button on Oxford Owl where they will read it to you. This week's guided reading, we are going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I will post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work.